everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today wanted to give you guys an update. We're going to talk about Operation Jacuzzi with one of our our next project that is actually hitting the market here in less than 24 hours. Wanted to share the pictures with you guys and just just encourage those investors, because on this one we actually generated the lead internally with direct mail. And we had the gentleman, he went on our website, completed the form, and we reached out to him and he was ready to sell. And so I always encourage you guys that's looking to see results. We have to be consistent as a real estate investor. If you're using direct mail or whatever it is, you have to consistently reach out to whoever your audience is, and because you never know when they're ready. It may be 1 month, the first month, or it may be 3, 4, 5, 6 months later. So be consistent with your mail. You may not see immediate results, but keep being thorough with that. This one was a cool story. So we got it under contract. The rehab went pretty smooth. This one, there was no issues. We came in on budget. We saved a little bit of money because we didn't go back with the jacuzzi tub. It was an older tub. We had the demo taken out and we just stained the porch, as you'll see in the pictures. But overall, it was a straightforward project. The only thing, we ran into one issue with the cabinet. We had been looking for the cabinets. We normally use Home Depot cabinets, but this one was a little higher end. It was over 200K, so I wanted to use the Lowe's white shaker cabinets. They had all the cabinets in stock with the exception of one base drawer with the pull-out drawer. And so we had to wait. We had to wait for over a week, and they were still on back order. And just so happened, I was looking online trying to get shipments, and my guys went into the store. I found one online, bought it, and they said, hey, yep, we have it in stock. But they gave them the wrong cabinet, and they later came back and said, no, we don't have it in stock. But luckily, the next day when they went to take it back in and return it, somebody returned a cabinet, the exact size, pull-out drawer that we needed for one of the base cabinets, the lower cabinets in the kitchen. So that was a true blessing. And, that was cool. So right now, guys should be seeing, just saw my latest video talking about the Panama City real estate market. We got 1.6 months of inventory. It's hot. This property appraised for 237K back in February when we were leading up to the purchase early March, and it's May time frame now. The market is crazy. Things have been trading. We were estimating around 135, 136 per square foot, but we're seeing things well over $150 a square foot. So we're going to list at $152 a square foot and come in right under 250K, and we'll see how the market responds. So it's not a lot of inventory, and most of the houses on the market, they don't compare for us the quality that we have with our renovation job. The one thing that we didn't do, we didn't order custom windows. The windows were solid. The previous owner had 2 brand new sliding glass doors installed, which was great. And other windows, they're not new vinyl windows, but we chose instead of delaying the project, waiting for custom windows to be installed, and we're going to sell it as is with the current windows. So we'll see how it works out, and we're always willing to negotiate. And with this one, like our other one, I decided, we had a setback with we lost our realtor. He passed away unexpectedly. And so we decided to go back with our current business model that we've used in the past of just doing a flat fee listing. Shout out to Front Door in Panama City. They did the pictures, great images, did the pictures for us. That was a great service, and we're going to have it flat fee listed on the MLS, and we'll see how it goes. So you guys stay tuned. I'll update you on the progress, and as we continue to update with the other ones and share that along the way, drop comments if you guys have any comments, feedback, or if you got any questions on kind of things that hurdles you're trying to get over or setbacks you may be experiencing in your real estate journey that I may be able to help. So as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.